evening, everyone. I sure do appreciate you all coming to participate in this PowerPoint today. The title is Professional Development Plan. I used one of the goals from our Professional Development Learning Plan. And the goal that I chose to use is the one that says to increase students' participation in the classroom. And we felt that in order to increase their participation in the classroom, we would implement more strategies that causes collaboration among the students. Our icebreaker today is a tic-tac-toe card. It was given to each of the teachers, and they were to go around the room to locate another teacher that fits that description in the box. And once they have formed a tic-tac-toe, then they can share something about those about that person. We can use this as a strategy in our classroom, the tic-tac-toe get to know you. But instead of the students using the tic-tac-toe get to know you, they can use maybe tic-tac-toe multiplication, and we're going to look at that later on in the PowerPoint. But this is one of the strategies that we can use to increase collaboration among students in the classroom. That would be our icebreaker. One learning activity that we can do is called scavenger hunt. And we also did that in our workshop, the scavenger hunt. In the scavenger hunt in the classroom, you can use multiplication problems. You can look around the classroom and find things to multiply by. Multiplication problems are hiding all around our classrooms, just waiting to be discovered by your students. Next time your class is feeling restless and you just can't bear to make them do another set of math problems, go give them a clipboard, or either they can do it by pair, and this will be a terrific activity to do with a partner, and challenge them to find and solve as many multiplication problems as they can. The problems can be hard to find, so encourage your students to look carefully and use their imagination. This is an example of the scavenger hunt. Here are two examples. For instance, your fingers. There are 26 people in the classroom. Each person has 8 fingers, not including your thumb. 26 people times 8 fingers, and your problem will be 26 times 8. And then they can use all the different strategies to solve that problem. Another type of problem is your chair legs. There are 32 chairs in the classroom. Each chair has 4 legs, so the problem will be 32 chairs times 4 legs, 32 times 4. Here's another list of scavenger hunt problems that the children can locate in the classroom. These are all learning activities for the children. And here's some more, and we're going to pass some of those out. Okay, and then this is the tic-tac-toe multiplication, where you put the product in the box, and then you call out 5 times 2, or 10 times 9, or 6 times 2, and then you let them form the tic-tac-toe. Or either they can just fill all the slides. Okay, and then we also use the acronym list, and I thought this right here was cute. This right here helps them to understand that the answer to a multiplication problem is product. So use the acronym MP when they're solving multiplication problems. Or the addition is sum. The answer to an addition problem is sum, so use AS. And subtraction is difference. Subtraction, the answer is the difference. So use SD, or division is the quotient, and use DQ. That right there is a nice little list to let them remember that when we're solving our problems in multiplication, they'll know what the answers are really called. This right here will help with vocabulary with these acronyms. My favorite is the learning activity. I went in a classroom earlier this week, and I saw somebody using this right here, I have who has cards. And those kids was really understanding, I think it was in science, I think they were learning vocabulary. But these are the I have who has cards. For instance, you pass out the cards, and everybody